Assalamu alaikum and
Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be talking about the paragraph format. I have already made a tutorial on using the headings for your documents. In this tutorial, we will be discussing the paragraph format. So here in the home tab, you see paragraph format. So here are the different. Here, all your line will be aligned to the left side, and here this is to the middle. Your text will be on the middle. Let me apply this. So here you see these are in the middle, and if I click this, so these will be aligned to the right side, and from here it is to the left. So here are the different formats, and the best format for formal documents is this one. This will be aligned to both ends. So this is the proper paragraph format. Let me apply to all of my paragraphs. So this will make your document more and more attractive and perfect. Let's also apply to this one. And now finally this one, and go down, and in the similar way apply to all of your paragraphs. Let's select all of them and apply now. This is the easy way. Let's control A and then select this one. So this is the most quick and faster method for applying this format. Now all your paragraphs are according to this format, that these are aligned to both right and left end. So this was a short video about the formatting of your paragraph. So hope you like this, and please subscribe to my channel and also share with your friends. So thank you for watching.